Hey everyone, and thank you for tuning into your Stock Motivator. Let's get right into it today, shall we? I want to talk about Boeing. Yes, B-A. I really like what the charts are doing right now, but let's talk about this. On Webull, it shows 28 analysts. 50% of them are showing right now a buy, with 21% on top of that showing strong buy, as opposed to 6% giving it an underperforming ratings or sell. Not only that, the analyst price target, and this is just the analyst, this doesn't mean anything to you, it's just their opinion on what this stock is worth. The low price is $180, exactly what it's at right now, $178 pre-market right now, and the high low is 307 with an average sitting around 250. And Boeing was just 250 last week, folks. So I think a big move is coming. And why is because of the support and resistance line. Now look at this. They're basically touching the same spot right now, and this is super rare. This tells me that a big move is going to happen on Boeing one way or another, i.e. Boeing is either going to drop to 140, 150, or it's going to go up to 225 or so. Again, it's about a $30 swing in either direction, and it very well could do both. But which one? But let's look at the cost distribution estimation. Now, the reason why I love this chart, and it's one of my main charts that I use for picking any stock, is the volume to cost correlation. And volume on a stock works a lot like a magnet. Wherever it is, it's going to get pulled to the next area with the highest volume. And what this is showing right now is that it being around 180, 170, it has a really high probability of getting pulled up to 196. And then if it hits 196 and then breaks 205, it's going to go up to 215 to 220 range. And depending on where it has success there, it could get pulled right back down to the $200 level. That's how volume really works. So what I'm going to do with Boeing this week is, depending on what happens today on Monday, because we don't trade options on Monday, folks. That's rule number one. Depending on what happens today, I may either buy the 220 calls for next week or the 140 puts for this week. And what you want, guys, and how you make the most money on options is you got to pick the right call or put when the stock makes the movement for that. So if you make the right call, you want it to go up. You make the right put, you want the stock to go down. Because if the stock just is stagnant and moves sideways, you're going to lose money on your calls and your puts no matter what. That time decay is going to bite you in the ass. Regardless, keep Boeing on your watch list, folks. And thank you very much for your time, and have a great trading day.